Alright everybody, so in today's live lecture, first I will explain ICT IPDA ranges and PD arrays, and then on the basis of that we will decide what should be or what could be the next move of the indices and the forex market. Okay, so in IPDA ranges, ICT draws some line on the basis of trading days, like he draw those lines in the last 60 trading days, but I won't do that. I will use the top and the bottom, and let's see what it shows us. Okay, so you can see this is the top, so I will draw fib level from the top to this bottom. Okay, now on the basis of this, so this is the midpoint. Okay, above it is the premium and below it is the discount. Okay, so above it is the premium and below is the discount market. Now I will draw 0.5 line in the premium market. Okay, so in the premium market we have discount and premium. Okay, this upper portion you can see is the premium, and below you can see the discount. You can see the price came down and quickly went up, so this is the discount and that's the premium. Now in this premium we will again draw fib levels. Okay, so this is our premium and discount within this premium. Okay, this is the premium, this is the discount. So right now the ES is in the discount. We will mark this level. This is the important level. So this is how you draw the IPDA ranges. Right now we are in the premium, but in the premium we are in the discount. Okay, this is the discount. Now if you see Nasdaq, we will draw it for Nasdaq too. See, this was the top, so we draw fib levels from the top to this bottom. Okay, below 0.5 is the discount, above 0.5 is the premium. Now from this top we will again draw these IPDA ranges. So within the premium, this is our discount and this is the premium. Okay, now to clarify more, we will draw another fib level. So you can see this is our 0.5 fib level, the important point. So I will remove the rest of it and leave this one here. So right now this is our 0.5 fib level. Above it is the premium, below it is the discount. Now what we will do is we will compare Nasdaq and ES. You can see that both Nasdaq and ES are in the discount. Okay, above this line is the premium. Now you can see there is an SMT divergence already. Okay, so as long as there is this divergence, things are bearish, but we have to wait for order block, and for the order block I will wait for this ES to go above this discount zone into the premium. So once the ES goes into the premium and the Nasdaq stays in the discount, and then if we get an order block, that will be your signal to short. Like if something like this happens, you can see if it moves up, then an order block forms here. Okay, and the Nasdaq goes here and doesn't go into this premium, that will be your signal to short. Okay, if you get an order block here. So right now I am waiting for this price to go up into this premium. Okay, and then we will decide if we get an order block, then you can short. Right now there is no order block and still the market is in the discount, so I'm not going to short here. I will show you an example of euro and GBP. Okay, so we will draw these IPDA ranges and see what could happen next. I have already drawn it. Okay, so you can see that this was the 0.5 fib level. Okay, you can see this was 0.5, above it was the premium, below it was the discount. So the day before yesterday, as you know, I was longing again and again. 2 times it hit my stop loss, but then you can see it went up. One of the reasons was it was in the discount zone. Also we got order blocks, but it got violated. So you can see that the price came down. Let me remove this. You can see that the price came down into the discount. Okay, above it is the premium, below it is the discount. The price came down into the discount and then it went up. Now if you look at GBP, I will remove ES. I will draw the IPDA ranges here too. From this bottom to top. Let me draw it correctly. Okay, so this is the premium. Now we will draw it within the premium. So this is our discount and this is our premium. Now again I will draw these levels within the premium, the discount and the premium. You can see that the price didn't come down. Okay, in example of the euro, you can see that the price came down into the discount, and in GBP you can see that the price didn't come down. Okay, and also there were SMT divergences on smaller time frames. Let me show you. We will shift to smaller time frames like 30 minutes. You can see that this was the bottom. Okay, here. Now GBP didn't sweep this low and euro swept it. Okay, and also it entered into this discount and then it went up. We got some losses here because I was trying to long here and my stop loss was so tight. My stop loss got hit here. As you all know, I was live streaming, but it hit my stop loss and then it went up. The idea was right, but idea doesn't matter as long as you can't execute. So the main thing is execution, and we didn't execute. My idea is almost always right. So the GBP came down, the euro came down into the discount, GBP didn't. Then we get an SMT divergence and then an order block, and the price went up. Okay, now let me show you another example of these IPDA ranges. Let me draw it for GBP too. You can see that it within this is the discount and that's the premium. You can see that GBP went up into this premium, and in euro you can see it didn't. Now if you have this SMT divergence, we will see if there was any divergence. Yeah, you can see that there was also a divergence. Okay, you can see there was also a divergence, and also the price of the GBP went up into the premium. This is the line of the discount and premium. The price went up into the premium, and in euro the price didn't, and then we got an SMT divergence and order block, and the price is going down. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it's clear how the importance of IPDA ranges. I haven't explained PDA ranges, but this was the importance of IPDA ranges, and then you get some order blocks and has SMT divergences, and this is how it works. So you can see in euro it worked, and now we will wait for the ES. We will wait for one of this pair to go into the premium. Let me bring okay, I will shift to Nasdaq. Yeah, on order block I showed you the order block. I will show it again. You can see this was a 30-minute chart. Okay, the price went up into the premium. Now the main thing you do is you find an order block as long as the euro is below this premium. Okay, so you got here, the order block was here. So on 30-minute you got the order block. The price can either come down from the wick of this candle, okay, this white candle, or it can go up to 0.5 fib level and then come down. So you can see it came down from this wick and still it's going down. So if you're shorted here with your stop loss here, it's already a good profit. So that was the order block I was talking about. Euro also has the order block now, and there was also, you can see I showed you the SMT divergences. Okay, so let me discuss Nasdaq now. Nasdaq and ES, it's interesting. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting for this. Okay, I'm waiting for this premium. So let me draw it again. You can see this was the top, this is the bottom. Okay, now this is your discount, this is the premium. Now the price is in the premium, so for clarity we will draw some more fib levels. So again you got the premium and the discount, the price is in the premium. Now within the premium you get another fib level. Let me draw it precisely. So this is your level, okay, around here. So if one of it sweeps this premium level, okay, and you get, we have already an SMT divergence, so I am expecting something like this, like Nasdaq will stay below this premium, and as there is a divergence, so let ES pump. If I get something like this, and then you get an order block on the 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 4-hour or daily, that's your area to short. Okay, I hope it's clear. So that's how it works. And if you know, if you watched the previous stream, I told you guys to long Bitcoin. It was around 27,100 or 27,120, and now it has gone up. I'm still expecting it to sweep the highs. So let's see if I get any bearishes. If I see any bearishes, I will close my longs, but still I think it will go up. Can you show that? Can I show what? Right now all you have to do is draw these levels, okay, and watch for the sweep of this, okay, the price will go up into the premium either in Nasdaq or in ES. Yeah, I'm waiting for entries, but waiting for this sweep. I don't think the price will come down before this sweep happens, either in Nasdaq or in ES, and there is also this divergence. So I want the sweep in ES and I want Nasdaq to stay below this premium. So that will be the perfect scenario. Nasdaq will stay below it and the ES will go above it, and then if we get an order block on any time frame, that will be your signal to short. And I have already shown you the levels. It will go down badly. In the ES you can short it almost to 4K. I know I haven't drawn it precisely. Let me draw these again, because even small sweeps matter. And that's the top, that's the bottom. ICT uses previous 60 days, okay? So if you want to follow ICT, you can watch his lecture. He uses the previous 60-day ranges, okay? I'm violating his rules because he uses smart money concepts. I want to use the easy money concepts. Now this is the premium. Now we will draw this in the premium. Now this one is precise. So that's your level, okay? That's your level to look at. If both sweeps this area and we don't get the divergence, then it won't be of importance and we will wait for another sweep or something, okay? Right now this is my area to look at. And it's almost the top, so I don't get into longs at this area. I don't think Nasdaq will sweep that, because you can see ES is almost there. It will sweep it first, and that will be the perfect scenario. Okay, so that was all about today. I don't have any entries as of now, and as this happens, the sweep, then I will go live and we will discuss what happens next, okay? So right now, stay safe. I'm not getting into any longs here because it's almost the top, so it won't give you an exit pump. Then it will dump straight from here. Let's see what happens.